How to use do not disturb mode in Realme C100. First of all, open setting now. In settings, scroll down, click on sounds and vibration, scroll down, click on do not disturb. First of all, turn on this button. After turning on this button, scroll down. Now here you will see call and messages. Now click on call and messages. Now here you will see four options: none, everyone, contact, favorite contact. Select that you want. After selecting, click on apps. Now here you will see app. Select app that you want. After selecting app, turn on this button. After turning on this button, app in the expectation list are allowed to interpret do not disturb. This is how you can use do not disturb mode in Realme C100. I hope so you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.